All right, we are moments away from the start of trading, and futures that were down yesterday 5% got a little bit better into the morning. We were looking at 2.5% drops, which is like the new up, and now we're back down again, just about 3.33% on S&P futures. NASDAQ futures down 3.5%. We're looking at drops of basically 13% over the last 3 days, including these futures, which makes it the third worst event post-World War II for stocks. COVID was worse, and the great financial crisis was worse, but otherwise we didn't see a 3-day drop this bad in 1987. Here you see the New York Stock Exchange. You're going to see travelers there, and the stock has done killer over the last 5 years, up 170%, well outperforming the S&P 500. But even travelers on Friday was down 8%. Dollar Tree ringing the bell to celebrate their 30-year anniversary. This stock at the NASDAQ is off about 10%, 11% this year to date. But over the last 12 months, they've lost half of their value. So bad for them as well. Katie, in terms of the stocks to watch, what are the individual movers that you're focused on?
Well, I have to go right to Tesla right now because it's leading the Magnificent Seven losses this morning. That's after Dan Ives of Wedbush cut his price target by 43%, following brand damage from Elon Musk's work with Doge. Shares currently down about 7%. Shonali, certainly a sign of the times to see Dan Ives changing his tune.
Yeah, speaking of Dan Ives, he also lowered his target for Apple, which produces roughly 90% of iPhones in China. Apple is down another 6.5% after the brutal 2 days already. You're seeing, Matt, a 3-day decline looking like more like 20% or more for Apple.